Hello, Jared Monroe here with Dale Howard Auto Center in Iowa Falls. Here to show you this 2014 Rainforest Green Silverado 1500. It is a full crew cab with the short box. It does have spray-on bed liner in it. Decent tread on the tires there as well too. Coming on up here into the driver's seat. Truck's only got 46,000 miles on it. Does have heated seats, remote start, a touch screen, all that good jazz. And definitely a sharp truck. You don't see them a lot in this color either. But give me a call. My number here, 641-316-1526. Thank you and have a great day.